everyone, Renee here with Jade Penguin Jewelry, and I have another jewelry jar. This is from the same, I believe the same booth at the Antique Mall, and I just went back and grabbed some more jars. This one was $12 or $12.99, so we'll see what we get. I guess I'll just pull things out as we go. Okay, that's where that string goes. So this one's broken. It is a type of plastic. So this one I'll definitely use for parts. I like the color, it's very spring. Let's see. We have what do we have? American Showcase. And it says Korea on it. So I don't think I've sold or come across a lot of American Showcase jewelry. So I'll have to research that one. Fashion jewelry, little gold hearts. Made in Korea. I don't think they're marked. No, it doesn't look like they are. A good vintage piece. Shepherd's hook. No mark on the hang tag. It does kind of look like a little sea anemone. Okay, there's some Frankensteining going on here. Fake pearl. You can see there's a seam that kind of runs right down the middle. And I don't think there's marks anywhere else on it. So this I'll definitely use for parts. I don't think it's real gold. I think it's just gold color. There's a lot of silver tone that kind of comes through on it. So really not. Some sort of agate. I'm not really sure what kind. Definitely green. So I'll have to see what kind that is, but I'll use that for scrap materials. A little dragonfly charm on a dirty cord, so that's more materials. Of course, you can't have a jewelry jar without shells, so let's get all the shells out of the way. Handmade in the Philippines. Some more shells. These ones I like a little bit better. They have good shape to them. A ceramic bead. So I'll probably take it off the cord and use that for scrap as well. Alright. We have sweater clips, FOELA. Fraternal Order of the Eagle? I'd guess. I have to look those up. I'm not familiar with that order. Not marked, very lightweight. Kind of magnetic, so Might go in a craft lot. I might find something that would look really good on it and put it in my chain stash. Then we have this really big necklace. It has verdigris and bonus hair. And it's sticky too. I feel like this is glass. And it's glued in. Same with these. So I don't know. I'll have to see if I can find something like it and see what I can come up with for comps. I'm not real familiar with any big statement necklaces, but I do like this piece. I will definitely change out the hardware on it if I can without restringing it. I might have to restring it. The string's pretty gross. So it might be worth restringing, or it might just be as is. So I'll have to wait and see. A lot of big things in this jar. I didn't have quite a lot in it. I believe that's a Charming Charlie C. For a bunch of broken strands. So it might be... What is happening? Okay, it's a tassel. What a weird necklace. I'll use this one for parts. I will add this to my glass pendants lot that I'm building. We have a cowgirl watch that I will also add to my watch bucket. And 3 hoop earrings. And a souvenir. I think it says alpaca. Alpaca, Mexico there. So the inlay is good. It could use a wipe down. So that's not a bad piece. And go on like that. Not too bad. Not too great. And then we have this. This is all plastic beads. So this will go into scrap. And then we have this bruiser at the end of the jar. Holy cow. This is a big ring. There we go. That's like a 10.5 size 11. Big old bruiser. It doesn't have any marks in it. So I'm going to assume it's aluminum or stainless. It's not very heavy. Oh, there's a mark. What does that say? JC Stainless Steel China. So JC Stainless Steel China. So I'd have to look up that one too for comps. And see what it goes for. So that was quick. That was 1 jar. So we'll go with a pint jar and see about getting this. These are purple glass beads with a toggle that doesn't look to be silver. but I really like this center bead. So I'll probably use it. Oops. So I'll probably use it for parts. Okay, this one has lots of littles. And our shells, you can check that bingo square. We got the shells out of the way. Put that over there with the other shells. Be good to yourself. Take heart. Austin, Texas. Okay, an angel. I think that says B and K at the back. It does. It says B plus K. So I'll have to look that up too. Some late 80s, early 90s, and I know because my mom had some like this. Hearts. Some plastic beads with some plastic. That's plastic. Leaves. So parts or bracelet lot. That says Avon. And it's pretty much lost. Let's see how that points the wrong way. So this is going to be, oh, well, there we go. Finished it off. Parts for scrap. Crossroads. Pink plastic. These fans are cute. It's a nice spring pastel-y color. They don't look chipped or anything, so I'll probably list those. Those are really nice. It's hard to imagine it's already almost spring. Lonely earring. Hoops. Different kind of, there's hair. Different kind of hoops. So that will go in my hoop bucket. Kira? I think that says Kira. K-I-R-A. Those are cool. They're not marked, but I like those earrings. The thread. No, the thread's good. I might list those. Cheap earring, aluminum hoops, earring wire. Oh, those are funky. That one has a buddy. This says Friends of our Chalet. So that's pretty cool. Parts. The other zebra. Oh, yay. Okay. So those are cool. I like those earrings. Ribbon, not marked. Aluminum ring. I have a bunch of rings. I haven't listed any yet. I really should, but I just haven't. Those are funky. Might list them. I might do a pastel lot. Parts. The cord, it's on a wax cord. I'll probably just save the heart off of it and get rid of the cord. Another pair of earrings. Doing pretty good on earrings out of this jar. little Russian nesting doll. That's pretty cool. I might put it on a different cord or necklace. She's pretty nice. Okay, I see a couple more pairs. Those are pretty mod. I like those. Looks like I'll have to build a spring lot of earrings. See if they clean up. There's a little bit of tarnish up here. Okay. District 5190. I can't read what the gear says. I want to say it's a Rotary Club thing. I'll have to look it up. Wallet chain? Not even sure. It's a heavy duty chain. So probably just add that one to my pile. Parts. There's no getting the kinks out of this wire. Let's see. Stretchy bracelet. Bracelet. All parts for these guys. So those are cool. They look like little bow ties. Charmy from Hobby Lobby. Single earring. Buddy to our neon earring that we got earlier. Schrader oil. I'll have to look up and see if that's still around or not. Or if it's of like a 5-year pin or something. And I will give unto thee the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Dayspring cards. West Delaware Hawk Invitational. Early Bird 800 meter. So somebody's medal for running. Here's another one. Western Duboc. And ooh, there's like doll hair or something on this one. And a Disney princess bracelet. Oh, not a single earring. Found it. Found the other one. Okay. American Eagle Outfitters dirty bracelet. And a stretch bracelet. And the last thing in our jewelry jar is a leather cuff with some charms on it. So I'll probably just save the charms and get rid of the leather. Yeah, so that's it. 2 jars. After I found that gold, didn't find any more. So it was worth a gamble. In total, I have $650, $12.99. So if I sell a couple of these pieces, I'll make my money back. So that's it. That's 2 jars down. And we got some interesting earrings at least. And some stuff I can definitely use for parts. So that's it. We'll see you next time. And thanks again for watching.